Today we're going to be creating web to lead forms in ScoreCEO. I am inside the referral section inside ScoreCEO. I can access this section by going to the left navigational menu and clicking on the third tab called Referrals. Now to go to the web to lead forms, I just need to click on Form Snippet. Once I'm inside on Form Snippet, click on Create New. Here we have the fields to create the web to lead form that we wish. We can give it a form name. We need to add a return URL for once the lead enters their information, they can be redirected to that URL. It could be your website, it could be any other landing page that you wish to add there. You can also add an error URL just in case, and you can also decide whether or not any lead who signs up using this web to lead form should be added to the new lead nurturing campaign or not. We have a great new lead nurturing campaign, so if you want leads to get nurtured and increase the probabilities of them signing up with you, then I suggest you do check the box for allow new lead nurturing campaign. If you're planning on using this web to lead form to a different campaign that you want to create, then you can just leave it unchecked and just tie this web to lead form to a campaign. So now that we have our information in here, we just need to save, and there's our code. Now this HTML code, you can do many things with it. For example, you can copy this HTML code, send it to your web developer. If this is the purpose, they can integrate it to your website. Any lead who visits your website who's curious about your services and they want more information, they can sign up. You'll have their information inside ScoreCEO and they will be identified like they use this web form to be added to your system. If you don't want to add this to your website and you want to use it with a campaign, then you can just go ahead, and now that you have your web to lead form created, go to templates, create the emails for your campaign, and if you want to add additional steps to that campaign, and go to campaign manager and select web to lead form. Your web to lead form is already prepared and it's ready to use. If you edit it later on, you decide you want the nurturing campaign to work with it, just check the box and save, and then from that moment on, all leads signing up using this web to lead form will be added to that lead nurturing campaign and they will start to receive those emails. So this is how to create a web to lead form. If we click on save and we open this file, this is what the web to lead form really is. It's just a sign up form. Just the client or lead can add their information and submit it. Once this is saved, I added a return URL. It took me to my return URL, which is the website I decided to add there. That is working perfectly. And if I go to my leads and consumers section, now I have that lead there, and it's telling me the source was web to lead form. Now inside the customer's information, the form name they used was the test form I just created. So this is really cool. You will be able to keep track of where your leads are coming from and specifically which web to lead form they're using, because you can have multiple web to lead forms and you can use them in any way you wish. So I hope this was helpful. If you have more questions and you need more information, you can always go to scoreinc.com and use our support chat.